guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are one video that I did not make is the siren. This is my homemade. My friend has one too, but it's complicated, so I built my own. Works and all. We have the thunderbolt bolt. We have a round tool or something. Now we come to test. First, I'm going to turn on my music. There we go. If you want to have this to really do a video for how to build one, where are my signs? Wait, my signs don't want to. Yeah, I will fix it another time. No, can't. There we go. So. Now we will do the thunderbolt. This is a loud one. I cannot find the completely attached version, so I need to now we come to the tone. Not going to do completely. Now we're going to do the around tool or something. Well, if you have to get in this comment if I want this on the trailer too. That's actually the end of this video. Bye.